Hi everyone, welcome to Real Estate Tips USA. Here we share the most up-to-date and useful information about real estate in America. I truly hope today's video will bring you value and help you make smarter decisions about housing and property. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Real Estate Tips USA so you won't miss new videos with fresh insights and practical tips. Your support means a lot, and together we'll stay on top of the latest trends in the U.S. real estate market. Today, I'm going to show you how to figure out the real cost of renting in New York City, how to stay safe from scams, and share some practical tips every renter should know. 1. Why rents vary so much across NYC neighborhood plus subway access, proximity to express lines, commute time to Midtown or downtown, building type and amenities, doorman, elevator, gym, new construction versus pre-war walk-up, unit condition, layout, renovations, light, view, utilities. Some include heat, hot water, or even Wi-Fi. Others don't. Regulation. Rent-stabilized or rent-controlled units can be significantly cheaper and more predictable long-term. 2. How to check actual rent prices in your area. Use sites like StreetEasy, Zumper, RentHop, Zillow. Filter by neighborhood and apartment size. Then compare median asking rents. Look at 3 to 5 similar listings, same size, similar features, to get a realistic target price. Check what's included: heat, hot water, electricity, internet. If stability matters, verify whether the unit is rent stabilized through NYSHCR databases. 3. What no fee really means. No fee equals the tenant doesn't pay a broker's commission. Instead, the landlord or management covers it. Owner pays/OP. Watch for terms like CYOF. Collect your own fee, which often means the tenant is still on the hook. Since recent changes in NYC law, landlords can't automatically push broker fees onto tenants when the broker works for the building. This has made it easier to find no-fee listings, but sometimes rents are adjusted upward to offset it. 4. How to actually find real no-fee apartments. 1. Filter for no fee on StreetEasy, Zumper, RentHop. 2. Look for OP or owner pays in the listing. If it says CYOF, ask questions. 3. Call the building's leasing office directly to confirm who pays the fee. 4. Sign up for alerts with no-fee filters. Good apartments move fast. 5. Check new developments. They often cover fees or offer concessions. 6. Browse local Reddit/Facebook housing groups for direct owner listings, but beware of scams. 5. Questions to ask leasing agents or landlords. Is this truly a no-fee listing? Who covers the broker's commission? Is it OP, owner pays, or CYOF? Which utilities are included in the rent? Is the unit rent stabilized or market rate? 6. Documents. You'll need ready photo ID, pay stubs, last 2 to 3, bank statements, W-2 or tax returns, employment letter, SSN/ITIN, rental history or references, credit report, guarantor info if needed. Having everything up front makes you more competitive for no-fee listings that go quickly. 7. Timing and negotiation. Tips. Best deals often come in late fall and winter when demand dips. That's when landlords are more likely to offer free months or waive fees. Always calculate the effective rent. Sometimes a no-fee listing has a higher monthly rent that ends up more expensive than a fee-based unit with lower rent. 8. Red flags and risks. Scams. Never wire money before you've seen the lease and confirm the landlord to management. No fee doesn't always mean cheaper. Check the total annual cost, not just the label. 9. Quick action plan. Search your neighborhood on Street Easy/Zumper. Set filters, 1BR plus no fee. Call 2 to 3 leasing offices directly to ask if it's OP or CYOF. Keep your document package ready and move quickly when you spot a good listing. Want to stay on top of New York's rental market? Hit like, subscribe, and follow so you don't miss the next update on prices and no-fee listings. Thanks for watching.